Welcome to this knowledge clip brought by ICSA. I am Alba Herranz, business developer at ICSA, and in this knowledge clip, we will going to present how to fund your idea. This webinar is built up of three components to answer to the question on how to fund your idea. First, we will go through a general introduction to the basics of funding. Then we will move on to what type of funding options are out there, and we will finalize with some startup and spin-off facilities. The starting point to look for funding is your idea or research plan. You need to look closely to it and only look for funding opportunities that match your plans. It is important to put yourself on the side of the funder. Why would they fund your idea? Why are you a good candidate? And why is it a good moment? To get to the point of it, it is important for you to continuously refine your idea and also find the essence of it. If you're a researcher at a knowledge institute, at this stage your ideas are typically in the basic research phase. However, you need funding to develop them into a commercial application and to bridge the so-called valley of death, in which many good ideas, unfortunately, do not survive. To identify at which stage your ideas are, we can distinguish several phases from fundamental research at academia level to commercial use at industry level. We utilize the technology readiness levels, TRLs, and these are 9 levels ranging from scientific knowledge, technology development, and business development. This is a framework that you can keep in mind when you're looking at funding options, because, as we will see in a bit, not every type of funding comes at the same stage of development. So, it is good to ask yourself the question in which stage you are. Research and early development correspond to TRLs 1 to 4. Technology in demonstration in a simulated environment is TRL 5 and 6, and demonstration in the real world, operations and sales are phase 7 to 9. So now you can assess at which stage your idea is, and you can think of the funder. Your idea and your goal should match with the goal of the funder. That means that not only you need to keep refining your idea, but you also need to have an indication on what the motivation of the funder is. You need to see it from their perspective. We can distinguish roughly 4 groups: public funds to bridge societal challenges, investors or private funds which anticipate on financial return, charities which can focus on a single issue to solve, or collaboration with companies which first speak on new innovations or they might outsource their R&D. So who's your ideal funder? So in the eyes of the funder, you're at the beginning of a journey together. You need to make it attractive for both. You need to emphasize that with your idea, you can offer a solution to an important problem in society, healthcare, public health, a third world aid problem, etc. It is important that you engage the funder, making it attractive for both of you. Reinforce the problem that you want to solve and that together you can reach to this goal. The UN Sustainable Development Goals help your audience recognize the need for your idea. Try to identify the problem you aim to solve with one of the SDGs, since there are multiple opportunities when it comes to the Sustainable Development Goals. And always keep showing the bigger picture, the problem that you're trying to solve and how your idea can contribute to it. There are different types of funding, all of them with different conditions. In the first group, we can see that it involves your own finances or those of the people that you know. The second group is money that you can collect involving external parties, but without a return on investment expected. The third group implies some type of public money where no return on investment is expected, like grants, subsidies, or public-private partnerships. And the fourth group includes private capital with larger amounts, and a return of investment is expected. As you see in this graph, not every source of money comes at the same stage. At the beginning or seed stage, you will see friends, family, and fools, business angels, grants, or government subsidies. And at a later stage, you will most likely receive funding from bank loans or venture capitals. On behalf of the university, ICSA manages early-stage funds to stimulate entrepreneurship. There are various proof of concept and pre-seed funding opportunities. It is good to discuss the possibilities with your ICSA business or impact developer. And also you can check the ICSA website for the current funds. NVO also has several funds to start your idea, to make use of knowledge from academic institutions. The take-off phase ones are feasibility studies with 40K provided for NVO institutes, universities, and HBO employees to study the feasibility for commercial application of their innovative knowledge. The phase 2 is an early phase loan of maximum 250K for startups. And as you can see in this map, there are different facilities where you can develop your startup in the ecosystem, such as the demonstrator lab, ACE, or venture studios, all of them located at the university campuses. Challenges and awards are also a great way to get visibility. Plus, they usually offer a prize that can really kickstart the further development of your idea or project. Some good examples are the Amsterdam Science and Innovation Award and other innovation and impact awards such as Philips, Ignite, EIT Jumpstarted, etc. Another great option is crowdfunding, because it can be a very good opportunity for spin-offs and small-scale research. The right platforms can give you an excellent online communication opportunity and marketing and visibility. If it is successful, it will encourage potential investors or other funding to chip in. And next to that, foundations sometimes offer funds for initiatives that support their cause. They usually focus on one topic, but you might have a match. So what is your next step? You can contact ICSA. We have 4 ICSA teams at Amsterdam UMC, University of Applied Science, University of Amsterdam, and Vrije Universiteit. You can email us at info@icsa.nl or visit our website. And next to that, you can find your business or impact developer. Thank you very much.